Hello friends, welcome to Info is World tutorial again. In previous lessons, we talked about Notepad lesson 1 where we talked about the tab file and what are the different options. So in this lesson, we are going to take you through the edit tab where there are different options like undo, cut, copy, paste, delete, find next, replace, go to, select all, time and date. So we'll go each one what it does. Say undo will what it does is, say for example, if you want to do whatever you have worked on, you want to undo it, you can just click on undo. So but I cannot select it, right? It's not enabled. So why it is? So there are other options also not enabled. So these options will be only enabled when you have, if it there is action available for that. For example, say if you want to undo it, there is nothing to undo it because already everything is saved, right? So let's say I write a here and it's not yet saved. I can select undo. Before you're saving it, you can do this, you can click on it. If you saved it and try to do undo, it doesn't change. So say if I'll click on undo now, because I not yet saved it, a will go, right? It get revoked. But if I want to, I will write a and save it and I try to click on undo, it doesn't change, right? The state will be same. So that is what this undo will do. And then there is a cut options where you can cut that letter A. If you see here, no, it is, if you are not selecting any word, the cut option is not enabled because we have not selected anything. So this option got disabled, right? So cut option is nothing but it will cut the letter and ask us to paste somewhere or just cut it, right? So these are the other options get enabled because you have cut it, you want to paste it, or you can ignore it. There are two options. So it depends on that. It will enable and disable the options. Similarly, you can copy, right? There's a copy option. So say if I selected A and I want to copy this, and once you copy it, where you want to paste it. So if you see here, the paste option got enabled because I already copied, no? So I will paste it here. See, A got copied and pasted here. Similarly, there is a delete option. So what you want to delete? I have not selected anything, so it's got disabled. Let me select something to delete. Let me select all these words. Delete is enabled, so I can click on delete. Got deleted, right? Similarly, there is a find option. What this does, find will help you to find the word or letter, whatever you type on it. So you can, there is a direction also up and down, and there is a match case as well. So let me find A. Let me find from this cursor, right? So it will, I can find A, it will show here. Then next find next A, where it is, it will find that next. Similarly, I can find all the A's. So finally, we search all the A's. So it will show can't find A because you are searching from top to bottom. So there is a match case. So basically, it will try to match the case. Say for example, this is small letter A and I am trying to find out big letter and I am trying from start and it says I cannot find A because those are all small letter A and it tries to match the cases here. This is all about find. Let me go back, and then there is a find next where similarly same thing, it will find whatever you found, it's asking for next. Then you can replace the word. Say for example, I have word A with S. You can click on match case if you want to match and replace it. I will replace all. I will do, if I will replace, it will replace only one word, the first word which is there, right? And if you want to replace all the letters which are available with A to S, then I can click on in a one go. It will replace all A's to S. This is how the replace works. So similarly, you will be having a go to, where basically you can go to the specific letter or specific steps, right? You can click on that, and there is a select all, where basically you can say, when you click on it, it will select all, and there is a time and date, which will basically show you time and date when you click on that. Say for example, right now, so it's changing, right? So if I want to print the time and date, I can just need to click on time and date. It will print that time and date. So that's all about the edit tab and what are the different options available. So let's meet in the next lesson. Thank you. Namaste and bye bye. And do subscribe our channel, and if you have any questions, do comment. And if you want us to make different types of videos and some different types of topics, do let us know. We'll look at it. Thank you.